Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all safe, taking care of yourselves and your health. And today I welcome you all to our part 3 of the chapter number 6. Actually, this is our last part of this chapter from your English reader. Students, this part consists of the question answers. Okay, so let's learn the question answers of chapter number 6, a spark in the dark. So let us start the first question of this chapter. As you can see, I have provided you with a picture from your reader to make it more interesting. Okay, so the first question is, where is Sarika sitting? Just look at the picture, students. You can see she is sitting in the park. So it will be very useful for you. By looking at the picture you can answer it, okay, so that you can remember it also. So we will repeat the answer once again. Sarika is sitting in the park. Once again, let us recall the question. Where is Sarika sitting? Sarika is sitting in the park. Okay, let's come to our next question. What does Sarika see in the park? You can see, what does she see in the park? Sarika sees a snake in the park. You can see a big snake in front of Sarika. Okay, so you have to write this thing in your answer also. What is this thing? It is a snake. So what does Sarika see in the park? Sarika sees a snake in the park. Alright, now let's see what is our next question. Who drops the gem in the park? See, Sarika is looking at something in the park. What is that something? It is the gem. Who drops that gem? You have to write that one in your answer. Alright, did you remember who drops that gem? Yes, an owl drops the gem in the park. Who drops the gem in the park? An owl drops the gem in the park. Alright, let's come to our next question. What does the queen give to Sarika? Students, it is clearly visible in the picture also that queen is giving something to Sarika. What is that something? It is a toy shark. So queen is giving a toy shark to Sarika. So isn't it very interesting? By looking at the picture you can answer the questions. So let us repeat it once again. What does the queen give to Sarika? The queen gives a big toy shark to Sarika. Student, I want to repeat all the questions once again. Let us see one by one. From the first question, where is Sarika sitting? Sarika is sitting in the park. Next question, what does Sarika see in the park? Sarika sees a snake in the park. Number C, who drops the gem in the park? An owl drops the gem in the park. What does the queen give to Sarika? The queen gives a big toy shark to Sarika. Alright, now your assignment for today is you have to learn and write the question and answers, that is question number 4 of chapter 6, in classwork copy as well as in homework copy. Students, this question has to be completed in both the copies. And you remember one thing, whenever your school reopens, the question answers and from each and every chapter must be completed in your copies, and it will be checked by us. All right, so stay home, stay safe, you take care of your health, and we will again meet in our next class. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.